correction in NTPC provides a good opportunity to invest considering the attractive valuation and improving earnings visibility. Now, the stock has corrected recently from a high of about 150 rupees in October last year to the current 120 odd rupees levels. It's now trading at 7.3 times its FY23 estimated earnings. Moreover, at the current price, it offers a good dividend yield of almost 6%. Valuations look attractive given the improving earnings visibility and cash flows. Also, the significant progress on the renewable energy front is worth taking a note. Increasing share of the RE portfolio would eventually lead to better earnings and higher margins. The company recently bagged close to 500 megawatt of solar-based new projects on a competitive basis. Now, despite stiff competition in the market, NTPC is emerging the most competitive on the back of low-cost funds, cash flows, strong balance sheet and expertise in managing large projects. NTPC Group's RE portfolio, currently accounting for almost 13% of the total group capacity, is increasing gradually. This is good for its long-term target of building close to 35,000 megawatt of RE capacity by 2027 and 60,000 megawatt capacity by end of 2032. Now, this will not only provide visibility but also help diversify its portfolio and earn better return on equity in the years to come. More importantly, a separate listing of the RE assets could unlock value for shareholders. Considering its high ROE and high growth, business investors would value this new entity more than the parent company's valuation. The company, as we know, has already announced its plans to hive off its stake and list the company in the coming months. Meanwhile, earnings trajectory remains robust and that should support the stock in the interim. In the first half of the current fiscal, the company has already commercialized close to 2,160 megawatts of new capacity. The second half is expected to be better in terms of execution as a result of easing execution challenges and the availability of resources. The company has set a target to install close to 5,000 megawatt thermal and 1,100 megawatts of renewable capacity in the current fiscal year. Now, barring the risk of a third wave of COVID-19, the new capacity could take care of the revenue growth in the region of 6 to 7% over the next 2 years. Besides, most of its JVs and subsidiaries have started reporting good growth and profitability, and this on a consolidated basis is expected to support higher earnings growth. Now, to put things in perspective, in the first half of the current fiscal, subsidiaries' net profit grew to 980 crores against 730 crores in the corresponding period last year. Similarly, contribution from JVs increased to 526 crores from 285 crores during the same period. Overall value unlocking through separate listing of the renewable energy business, higher contribution from subsidiaries and JVs, stable performance of the parent company's power business, and of course, attractive valuations should keep the stock in the limelight.